G'day guys, Mitch here from All 4x4 Spares in Katara. I'm up here today in our state-of-the-art workshop talking about our SafeTstop machine. The SafeTstop is essentially a set of roadworthy certified sensors but live underneath these two floating tracks below me. We use the SafeTstop to check various components such as brakes, suspension, wheel alignment and four-corner overall weights. We run the vehicle over the tracks below me, bringing the car to a stop, which tells us brake report front and rear, making sure that both end brakes are operating within specification, making sure that suspension components are operating to specification, making sure that wheel alignment factors are within factory setup, and at any point we can put any vehicle over our SafeTstop setup and get a four-corner weight check to make sure your vehicle is within its GVM for your next trip towing or touring. So give us a call or come in and see us on site to make a booking to have a SafeTstop assessment carried out on your car. Hope to talk to you soon.